Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on adding new apps to home screen when they are installed in Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus phone. So, how to make our new applications appear on the home screen automatically when we are installed them. First, we need to go to settings. Then in settings, we are looking for home screen options. Then here we have our add new apps to home screen option. So we can tap it once. It's a simple on off switch. And now when we install new application, it will automatically be pinned to our home screen. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.